start with US dollar Swiss franc on minute 15 time frame. We see that on this time frame it's in downtrend, and we see this big green candle, so it means the buyers are strong right now. But as we are in downtrend, there are also sellers that are strong, so we can trade in any way we want because they are equal somehow. And yeah, let's mark these levels, important levels, and now we see strong move to the downside, so here in this level we must be careful, and I will show you why. For example, here the same, the price came here and then down, so you see these zones are strong, and be careful. So yeah, let's look at lower time frames. We see that the market was in a little downtrend here, and then it went up strongly, but this is small time frame, so don't take it like something very strong. Let's look at minute 5. Yeah, we see the market bounced here of this level, went up, and now we should see on 1 minute time frame if the market will go up or down. On 1 minute time frame we see this support now, maybe. Until now it was resistance, and we should wait what the market will do. The price broke through this level, now came back, and now we should wait to see if it was fake out or fake breakout, or if it was valid breakout and the price is only retesting this level and it will continue to the up. I think it will go up, but we should wait. And yeah, so here if the market goes down, we are looking for sells, and again it's better to wait for some retest, because if we sell here our stop would be too big, stop loss, and if we sell here our stop loss is much smaller, so it's better even for stop loss to enter on retest. And so we are looking for that rejection candle here after retest, and we can sell. Our target is here, this previous low, and yeah, that's it. And in the opposite scenario, if the price is just retesting this breakout, we are looking for buys here. Again, there should be some signal, rejection candle, and so on, and the stop should be below the rejection candle in the sell. Again the same, and you know what I mean from previous lectures. And our target to the the high is this level of supply. So again, wait for the price to show you how it will react, and then enter the market after retest. Be careful and patient, and that's it, I think, and see you in the next analysis.